Hi, my name is Mike, and I got this box in the mail. I already opened it. I was so excited because I got some product in the mail for myself. It's nice to do once in a while for yourself. And then it's a package of socks. It comes with 6 of them in it. They're really nice. They come in 2 different colors, gray and the black and gray. They're quality socks. They stretch really nice. They're really comfortable on your feet. I have one on already, and it fits really good. I put it on with my tennis shoes when I worked out, and the back tongue gives you a lot of comfort when you have your tennis shoes on the back of your ankle. I'm real excited about them, and they are really nice product. I would I'll give you the name of the product so you can look it up on Amazon and get yourself a package just like this. They're $16.99, and it's a really great deal. You have a nice day. Thank you.